In this video, we're going to tie a 7-part 4-bight Casa knot, and then we'll raise it to an 11-part 6-bight Casa knot. So we go around the mandrel, then we go over one, then we go over one, then we come under one, over one, and then we're going to come back around and under the standing end that is shown right there in that drawing. Now, that's got us on the left-hand side of our standing part. And we're going to follow it and do what it's doing. So it's under, over, and we go out under it to get out of the knot. Now that we've went under it, we're going to continue following the same strand that we just went under and do what it is doing. So it is under one, and then it's going over two, so we go over two, and then it's under one and over our standing end. And now we're on the left side of our standing end again because we just crossed over it. And here's our tracks. Now we're going to just split tracks. Under, over two, under, over. Now we got to pick up this outside bight, go under it to get inside of our tracks, and we're going to go over, under, over, under, and that brings us back to our standing end and finishes our 7-part 4-bight Casa knot. And if you're going to finish, you just finish right there. But we're going to go to the back side, so we're going to go under our standing end, and we're going to follow the left-hand side of the standing part up through, doing the same thing it's doing. So it's under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And I'm going to straighten that bight out just a little and give it a pull. There's our tracks. Okay, now we went under this strand. So now we're going to continue following it. And it's going under, over, under, and then over two, under, over, under, and then we've got our standing end here we got to bring back down and go over it to finish that half cycle. And now right here is the bight we need to pick up to get inside of our tracks. And we're on the left-hand side of our standing part, doing the opposite of what it's doing. So it's over, under, over two, under, over, pick that under up and go out over that outside bight. Now, see this bight right here that's under, we got to go under it to get inside of our tracks. And there's our tracks going right down through there. And we're just going to go over one, under one, splitting the tracks. Over one, under one, over one, under one, over one, under one, over one, under one, not over that outside bight. And that brings us back to our standing end. So we just go in alongside of it to finish our 11 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 bight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you will try to tie this knot. Thank you for watching.